Today, I'm at the Church Health Commissary Kitchen, and I will be preparing a Memphis-inspired pork belly dish with a sweet corn risotto, beet puree, grilled corn, and sauteed mushrooms for garnish. This is a pork belly. It's been sous vide about 3 hours at 107 degrees Celsius. And then what I'm gonna do is finish it off in the oven so I get a little crispy crust. This is a sauce. I'm gonna cook that down in the pan and strain it. So anytime you're making risotto, you always wanna have like a hot pan, a little bit of like 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of rice, 1 cup of wine, and then 4 cups of liquid, which is your stock. And then I'm adding some garlic and then some corn. So we have a corn risotto here. And then you always need to be mixing it the entire time. So as soon as you start, you can't stop mixing. Memphis is known for barbecue. Memphis is known for pork. And I chose my favorite piece of pork, which is pork belly. And I made my own barbecue marinade for the pork. And then the beets and the onions are like a representation of the fresh vegetation we have down south. And then the corn risotto is a representation of the Italian food that I've learned to cook here in Memphis. It is a culmination of everything that I have learned here as a up-and-coming chef.
Oh my God, I love that. It's so good.